Hey, it's Cody with Glow. I just finished up with the day, and there's some information that left out of that other video that is kind of important. I found out after the job that 2 month span from the other cleaner and from when I cleaned it, the house was actually vacant. So no one was living in that. So that difference you see in that video is purely based off of the quality we provide. We did that much more than the other cleaner. And, you know, that lady had to pay twice, but at the end of the day, she got a better clean and the job done right. We just have more training, more education behind us, more tools and equipment to be able to do that. I'm also putting a video with this showing the water, the wastewater, and everything that other carpet cleaner left out, just showing that what we pulled out. So if you have any questions, comments, just give us a call. I'm Cody with Glow, and you can find us at glowgreenclean.com or 801-458-2112. Thank you. Bye.
Hey, how you doing? This is Cody with Glow. So, hey, I'm at this house. This is a referral. So they had their carpets cleaned 2 months ago, okay? And it still smells a little bit from some pet problems. So they called me in to come and fix it. The reason why I want to show you this is because 2 months ago this was clean. See, you can see a clear difference. That just looks a whole lot brighter. Yeah, it's a little darker right there. That's just traffic, wear and tear. But look how dingy that is. Look how much brighter that is. Okay? That is because here at Glow, we're well trained. And we have proper tools and chemistries to do the job right. And the biggest reason why we have pride in our work. We want to do a wonderful job for you. We want to have the best results possible. I want to make it so no cleaner can ever come back in after me and clean better. I will never accept this kind of quality. This kind of quality? No. Yes. Because 2 months ago, this was clean. And look at the difference. You know? And the client wasted money because she already hired one professional, didn't do the right job, didn't do how he's supposed to, and now she has to hire me, which I know I'm a little bit more, to do it right and to get the result that she wants and that she deserves. She deserves to have great results. She deserves to have the carpets cleaned the proper way. So, if you want your carpets cleaned, if you want advice, how to get the things clean, give us a call. Our phone number is 801-458-2112. And you have a wonderful day. You can also find us on Glow Green Cleaning. We want to give you the best results possible. We don't want just to look better. We want to be the best. Okay? This is, it was improved. This was better than it was originally, but this is how it should be. 2 months, you should not see that kind of difference. So, have a wonderful day. I gotta keep on cleaning and get out of here. All right, bye.